Sitting in a gaming chair gets your muscles used to neutral postures. In any type of chair, a neutral posture is the healthiest way to sit for long periods. Follow these steps to get started quickly. First, tuck your hips deep into the seat. Second, position your lower back to your chair's lumbar support. Third, plant your feet firmly on the floor. Lumbar support keeps the back straight while sitting. In a gaming chair, adjust the lumbar pillow to fill your lower back curve. Setting the right lumbar support height is important. Set too low will curl the hips forward. Set too high can do the same thing. Adjust the pillow to fill your particular lumbar curve. Something like this. Even if you set the right lumbar height, the pillow might be too thick. That's not ideal. To make it more malleable, remove the pillow and squish it down. Then, try sitting down again. If the pillow can compress, your spine will be able to lean against the backrest. Another option is to upgrade to a high-quality memory foam lumbar pillow. Position it a few inches above the seat. Lean back. Then, enjoy perfect spinal alignment against the backrest. Once you have your lumbar support figured out, focus on the 3 essentials. First, tuck your hips deep into the seat. Second, position your lower back to your chair's lumbar support. Third, plant your feet firmly on the floor. Finally, focus on sitting in neutral positions.
Neutral sitting postures.
After a few days of sitting this way, it should become a habit.